Hello everyone, welcome you all to this beautiful channel. It's Pay Via Forex Academy. Alright, I'm going to be showing us how you can apply this profitable strategy whenever you want to trade the boom and crash pairs. So I want to show you a very wonderful strategy that you can actually use and make money, and this strategy also help you in growing your account too, because you can apply this strategy even in raising your small account as little as $10, $50. You can raise it to something good, something good. So that is what this kind of strategies help you for. Those are the things this kind of strategy help you for. So right now, before you, I'm going to be placing a trade, and I'm be using a one lot size to place this trade. So I am selling. The reason why I want to play this trade now, I'm going to explain all of that to you. But let me open my trade. So I want to do like 3 positions. Alright, I just open 3 positions. So the reason why I am placing this trade is this. Now, if you come down here in this indicator window 1, right? When you see this indicator window 1, you see that this point here is the oversell. This is the oversold region, right? This is the oversold region. This is the sell region. This 95, you can see it's 95 region, it's the sell region. So once I have this moving average across this indicator window 1 at this sell region, so it's prepare me to place a sell trade. So it prepares me to place a sell trade. So once I have it at this point, so what does this mean? It means I should place a sell trade, and this is the first condition I should be looking at for. And then once I have this condition set at this point, and then again I come here, right here, the main chart. Right here, okay, let me zoom a little bit, but the zoom level we are using here is the second zoom level. It's the second zoom level. That's what we're using here. All right. So, but let me zoom so you can actually see this chart very well. So now the next condition we are looking at for is this one here. At this point, this a moving average. You can see the black line across the chart. So once you have these sellers break below this market, so it actually shows that this market is heading down it's heading down, okay? It's downtrend. Alright, so it's showing that it's downtrend, it's going down the trend. And mind you, we are using a 15-minute time frame here. You can use this strategy, you can use it on your 5-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame. Alright, that's what we are using here. So once you have it, the seller break this black line on our main chart, so it tells that the market is going downtrend. All right, and then you have also watched out for you also look at the main chart, which the indicator window, which I've showed you already. So this shows that this market is selling it to sell down. So, but then what are we looking at here? We are not. It's a trade we are not going to be holding for a long time, right? We won't be holding this trade for a long time. Reason because want to have it just short and leave the market. All right, want to have it just short and leave the market. So you can use a better lot size to do this one and get whatever you can and leave the market. Like I'm using a one lot size, depending on my equity. It also depends on the equity you have. Okay, but risk what you can easily always apply a proper risk management whenever you are trading. So it is very, very important for a trader to apply a proper risk management. Okay, you trade based on the size of your equity. All right. So now again, what I also want to let you guys also know, try and observe your charts. All right. So whenever you have your charts close to yourself, so indicate try and see if the market is downtrend. If the market is downtrend, you are looking for a sell opportunity. If the market is uptrend, you're looking for a buy opportunity. So these are the things you need to find out first before you can think if you are buying or you're selling. It's very, very important. So once you find out this thing, it doesn't also end there. So you also need to identify with those areas that you feel that this market will start buying from here or will start selling from here. So how do you identify with those areas? Is by applying those tools that you have here on this chart. I mean the horizontal line or the trend line, so you can make out all of that and see that this market will be going. When it gets to this point, I will be placing a sell trade. When it gets to here, I will be placing a buy trade, and then you patiently wait. Okay, these are the things you need to have, you need to put in your head before you place a trade. Come on, we are dealing with money, so you need to be extremely careful, because I am doing the best. I try as much as I can to drop the best of strategy here on this channel. At Pay Value Forex Academy, you always get the best here. So if you're a new person here on this channel, please, what you do here is to hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, all right, and like videos that you see here on this channel. And please, if the video also interests you, you can also leave a good comment, and make sure you always follow instructions. Keep to instructions. Keep to the whatever I'm telling you here is what I apply, the principle that I apply. So, and it has been very good to me. It favors me too. So that's why I also advise you out there to keep to the rules. Okay, don't go against the rule. Trade with patience. Apply patience while trading. Wait for all this. Wait for those conditions I've just showed you to meet, to hit those position, those areas I've just showed you, those conditions to meet, and then you can place a sell or a buy trade. So by so doing, trust me, you are going to be making out something as a trader, as you trade boom and crash. So this strategy, you're also going to use it to trade your boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, and crash 500. All right. So I wouldn't advise you to go for crash 300 or boom 300, because this strategy I've only tested it with those pairs that I've listed out already. Okay, but the zoom level we are using is the second zoom level. This is the third zoom level. So you can zoom to the last, right, and then you raise it just to this point. All right, this is the second zoom level we are using. So, but I'm zooming into this level now, so you can see what is playing out on the chart. Okay, so that's why I zoom into this level. And what do we do here now? So let me also backtest so you can see what really happened whenever I get to this point. You see, whenever I see this point here, you see these two lines cross each other. You see the yellow line and the red line cross each other within this region here. What happened? The market will sell down. You see. So the same thing too, if we are buying, if you want to catch the spike, so within this region, this is the buy region if you're buying. So once you see this condition meet up, you cross here, and then you see this, the buyers break this black line, so it tells that this market is uptrend. So you can place a buy trade. Trust me, you're going to get the spike. So you do this, you do all of this, you can see all of this. So the same way you apply, the same way you treat your crash too. If you're dealing with crash, the same way to see all of this. All right, you see all of this. You can see all of this. The same way you do your crash. So let me not keep, if I keep backtexting, you get all of that, okay? The same way you do your crash. All right, so let me hurry up so I can close out this and save what I have seen here, because I told you we are not going to hold this trade for a long time. We just want to get the little we can and leave the market. All right, so let me also quickly show us the indicator we are using, the settings we are using. Meanwhile, it's Pay Value Forex Academy. So I also lecture people here. I also teach people more of price action, because price action also help me to get it right. Okay, you follow it by the price action, see how the movement of the price works. So these are the things, the knowledge that I also try as much as I can to impart you. So if you want all of this, you can also think how you can come and enroll into my mentorship class, so I can also show you how to go about this. And also, I also manage people account. I manage accounts from $100 up. All right. So if you have an account, maybe you don't have the mind to trade for yourself, you'll get scared on how to play it for all of that, because maybe you're so busy to do it for yourself. You can also chat me up on how I can manage your account for you, and then I will tell you the terms and the condition that follows. And then if you're interested, we can go into business. And then trust me, I'm going to make out time and put in my best and make sure I trade for you the way I trade in my own account, and make out whatever I can, so we can make good use of the privilege we've gotten the privilege we've gotten for ourselves, all right, make good use of it and have a good relationship. I also have a group called the VIP group where people subscribe and trade on my signals. Every signal I drop there, they trade on it. Like now, some people are making money right now on this, with this trade. Are making money. All right. I've also given out the instruction on how to. We are not holding for a long time. Also giving out all of that to them for them to have in mind. So, and also have the free Telegram channel. So all of that is here on this channel. So how do you do that? The free Telegram channel is where I drop my structure once in a while. So how do you do that? As you're seeing this video, go to the description box of this video. You get all my contacts, the WhatsApp number, and also the Telegram link, so you can also join and let's get in contact and know what you want. All right, let me quickly show you the settings. It's a very simple strategy. So the first setting we are using here is the moving average cross to the main chart. So these are the parameters. The period is 10, shift is 0, a method is exponential, apply to close, and the style we are using here is pixel 4 with color black. Can use any color of your choice, no level, and the time frames is all time. So done. So the next we are using is for the indicator window 1, the relative strength index, the RSI. So the period is 10, the apply to close, and the style we are using is the color of our background. All right, the color of your background, that's what you're using. And the level are this. We want to sell from level 95. We want to buy from level 5. All right, so I'm done with this and all of this. So the last we are using the moving average. So these are the information you need to. Period is 10, shift is 0, method is simple, and apply to close. And you can use any color of your choice here. No level, done. All right. So the next is this: a moving average. Period is 20, shift is 0, exponential, and all of that. Style, you can use any color of your choice. So I'm done with this. So please, I'm done with all of this. So you can take note of all of this. Right now, I'll be saying goodbye. And I wish you the very best. Try out this with your demo account. Trust me, it's going to work out good for you. And you can switch to your life account and start making plenty money. Goodbye for now, guys.